1 ounce $2 coin with antique finish and addition of high relief and number edge. This is Earthquake from Cataclysm series. The mintage of the coin is only 500 pieces for the whole world. The reverse of the coin presents the surface of the earth after the cataclysm. It is displaced and looks tragically. Deep fracture makes the reverse look thrilling. The color of the coin imitates the actual color of burned ground covered by sand. Its pattern is diverse and patched to make the coin look as real. The details are visible because of the rugged lacquer and various heights. The obverse contains the information about the coin, but what is the most important is that it also shows the actual image of the devastated city after the earthquake. We can see destroyed buildings surrounded by stones and dust. It gives us a wider perspective of how destructive the cataclysm is. It is shown in horizontal structure, so we can see the city of a perspective of actual participant of the earthquake. The profit of each coin is donated to those people who are actually touched by an earthquake. 1% of the sales is given to Nepal victims.